Hi folks, sorry I've been away for a few days, but I've been working and everything. Been set a challenge by one of my friends at work to eat some hot chilies again, but these are very, very hot. He brought these back from Mauritius the other day. I don't know if you can see them in here and that. I don't know if you can see it in the middle and that, all the hot chilies. Okay, well here we go. Oh my God, these are hot. These are hotter than the last ones I had. Oh my God. I've got to do this in 2 minutes. Jesus. My God, I am hot, very hot. Oh, mate, I am sweating. My tongue's on fire. Oh my God. The less I talk, the better. Oh, Jesus, man. Oh. Oh my God. Okay folks, that's it. I'm now going to go and get a nice pint of milk.